Hi everybody, this is Orna from Pink K-Pop Academy. This is my buddy Jay, and today we are going to be watching for the first time Stray Kids Sorikun. I am Stay, so I am crazy excited about this. This is my first comeback as a Stay. So yeah, I've been waiting all day to do this and I'm so excited.
And I'm not a Stay, so I'm not going to be easily impressed.
So this is our job, guys. We have to, she has to be impressed, alright?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm only just learning their names and faces, so I might mess up. Be kind.
Alright. Let's do it!
I'm ready.
Ah! Here we go. Let's turn it up a bit.
Yeah. I like the animation already.
Yeah, oh my god. Oh, Chapman!
Oh, hey, I was talking about it.
Yeah! Fire!
They look like the Wisps from Brain.
Yeah! Yeah. Costume change. Yes! Yeonjin!
Oh, this is beautiful.
I am a sucker for a trad concept. Yes! Yes!
That's what got me when I was as well.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Yes!
Ooh, I like this.
Yes! Oh my god. Costumes are everything! Wow. Oh, did they just like appear? Yes!
That's a really good drop.
Yeah. And strong.
Hey! The red is...
Yes! I'm also here for this editing.
I think more K-pop should do like sort of olden style comebacks like One Us did.
Yeah. The contrast with the old and new is just like awesome.
They're writing their story, are they? That's just in the background.
I did not see that. We'll watch that again. Yes! How many hair changes does Felix have in this video?
That's still Felix?
It's still Felix. Oh, wow. Oh my god. The formations in this dance are so
Cars.
cool.
They've got the old style K-pop with the car in the background.
Chance lost some of his bandages. Is he okay?
They're probably in the car.
Oh no, we're changing. Ah, yes.
They did the pause.
They did the pause.
They did the pause. Thank you.
Felix, that's another hair change.
Felix's hair is nicer than mine. I'm offended.
Everything about this is just like amazing. Alright, Felix. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. It hits different when Chance says it.
I wonder who she likes. I can't tell.
I don't have a bias.
Isn't it?
No, not at all.
It's probably him.
Poor oh my god. Oh, that was so good.
That was really good.
That was so good.
I really enjoyed that.
The okay, we don't need the ads, thank you. The mix of the old and the new is like
it's really, really good. I think like One Us kind of started that trend with Kaja. And I would love to see more K-pop groups doing it because it's really, really catchy.
Yeah. They did it a little bit with Ta. They kind of had that vibe going, but then they filmed it like inside, so but I love the costumes and the dance is so good. I mean, there was so much. I have to look at it again to see like what the dance was like. I'm watching it as a dance teacher, and I just spent the whole time going, "Ooh, the dresses!" But they're pretty. Oh man.
But costuming makes a huge difference. Like you can't have a good choreography and then put crap costume on it.
No, it doesn't work.
We've seen that before,
it
ruins the dance.
They definitely did not do that here. That was
the red was.
Yes.
They must have like turned up the tones in the red because it was so vibrant.
Yeah.
I love that. I love a good wide.
Even standing out with all the costumes against like the trad backgrounds with all the patterns and stuff. Oh, yay! Oh my god, I love it. And it's a bop.
It is a bop. It is a bop, and I'm noisy.
Oh, she's getting smart now.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to watch it again.
Yes.
And then see if we have any other thoughts on it. But
This is the quietest thing I've ever been.
The animations are so cool.
Like this like transition.
Yes. Fire. I love Hans' jacket. I love that shape. Oh yes.
That's Changbin.
That is Changbin.
No, I love Changbin.
He's got a really unique sound.
This is a really good demo.
Yeah.
Really good.
I'm just seeing all the formations in the dance. Like yes.
Are they dancing?
Yeah, I think
How
so.
do
No, they're dancers. I think. I love the way they just like appear.
So they're the blue fire, are they?
Oh, maybe.
Because they're like, I like this.
Could be.
That sounds familiar.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
writing the story. But I can't tell if
It
it's
could be music.
Yeah,
It's
let's say music
Yeah,
as well.
because it's probably part of the No Easy, the sound monster concept.
it's either music or it's hanja.
I think it's music. So in English, the name is Thunderous. Gotta have your swag.
Yeah.
I just think Chan has lost half his bandages somewhere. Is he meant to be healing? Is he getting better? Oh, I love this. Oh, that's so
I love that.
Yes.
Who's there for him?
For this one, I'm not sure. Yeah. Excuse me.
Are you pinched?
I'm fine.
Is I am?
Lino.
I like that sound because it sounds like, you know, right before, like, when there's thunder and lightning, there's like that sound that kind of goes, and then
Ooh.
I love these guys. I don't even know what they're called. They're in like Fantastic Baby and
They're in lit as well.
yes.
Fire for Felix. Yes.
Oh, I really like that.
Yes. Even better second time. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god. There's so much detail in this. I feel like I could watch it 10 times and still see something new every time. Like, they were all amazing. Oh my god. That's so good. That's so good. Ah, my boys. I can't wait to see
What's it like?
the
What's
rest
your
of the
first
stuff.
comeback as a stay?
It's so exciting. I'm so happy. I can't wait to see the rest of the stuff as well. Because they have the I didn't get to watch the comeback show or anything yet, so I want to watch some of that comeback show as well. And yeah. Thank you for watching it with me.
I'm delighted to watch it with you, and I feel so happy as well. Like, I was actually nervous and excited to watch this because I've only just learned them, and I still don't. Like, you saw me with Lino there and
Yeah.
Singman. I am.
Yeah.
I'm still a bit. Oof. I'm getting there,
You're getting there.
but like, I've never gone to groups more than 5. 5 is kind of my limit, so it's taking me a while.
Yeah, 8 is a lot. You're doing really well. You're doing really. She's doing good. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us while we watched this. I hope you've had fun watching us. We've definitely had fun watching this, and yeah, see you all again next time. Bye.
Bye.